Tech Jungle. The place for you in the jungle makes you struggle.
Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, but before we dive in, there's an important aspect we need to address. Installing beta versions of software can be an exhilarating experience, but it's essential to understand the risks involved. Beta versions are pre-release software that undergoes testing and refinement. While they offer a sneak peek into upcoming features, they may not be as stable as official releases. That's why it's highly recommended to take precautionary measures, such as backing up your data, before proceeding. You have options for backing up your data, such as using iCloud or iTunes, depending on your preferences. Take the time to securely store your files, contacts, and cherished memories. It's like having a safety net, giving you peace of mind as you venture into the world of beta software. Now that we've emphasized the importance of data backup, you're well prepared to embark on this exciting journey of exploring beta versions. Remember, the thrill of discovering new features comes hand in hand with a responsibility to protect your valuable data. Are you ready? Fantastic! Let's move forward with caution and excitement as we delve into the realm of beta software, fully equipped with the knowledge and preparedness to make the most of this thrilling experience. Once you've backed up your data, the first step is to enroll in the Apple Beta Software Program. To do this, go to beta.apple.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Once you're signed in, click on the Enroll Your Device button and select the iOS tab. From here, you'll need to download and install a profile onto your device. This profile will allow your iPhone to receive beta updates. Once the profile is installed, go to Settings General Software Update. You should see the iOS 17 beta update available for download. Click on Download and Install and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you'll have access to all the new features and improvements that come with iOS 17 beta. Like and subscribe for a video about that. Remember, beta software can be unstable and may cause issues with your device. Beta software, although exciting, comes with its share of risks. It's essential to understand that these versions are still in development and may not provide the same stability as official releases. In the event that you encounter any problems or experience instability, it's always a good idea to revert back to a stable version of iOS. This ensures the smooth functioning of your device and minimizes any potential disruptions. Lastly, we want to express our sincere gratitude for joining us on this journey and learning about the installation process of iOS 17 beta. Your support and engagement mean the world to us. So, if you're ready to embrace the latest innovations and contribute to the development of iOS, go ahead and dive into the beta experience. Remember to stay cautious and make informed decisions along the way. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in future videos. Until then, stay curious, stay tech-savvy, and happy exploring.